On medium heat, we're going to add 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water. Whisk until the sugar dissolves. Add 1 cinnamon stick, 2 lemon slices, and the juice of half a lemon. Cook on medium heat for 7 minutes. Melt 1 cup of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil and melt your chocolate. Drizzle the pan with your melted butter and spread it across. Chop your walnuts with your knife. Let's prepare our filo dough. Add 1 layer of filo dough, drizzle with butter, and gently spread across. Now add another layer of filo dough. Drizzle with butter again. Spread the butter gently across your filo dough. Sprinkle the chopped walnuts evenly over the filo dough. Place a skewer in the center of the filo dough. Fold it in half and gently roll the dough. Now, lightly push the sides inward to create a harmonica shape. Pull out the skewer. Place your dough into the pan. Repeat same steps. Sprinkle butter. Add another layer of filo dough on top. Sprinkle with butter again. Lightly spread your butter across the filo dough. Add your chopped walnuts all across the filo dough. Repeat the same process. Put your skewer stick in the middle of the filo dough. Fold it in half. Roll it. Lightly push the sides inward to create a harmonica shape. Place your dough into the pan. Brush the dough with melted butter. Cut the filo do baklava to your desired size. Bake on 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes until golden brown. Slowly pour the cold syrup evenly over the hot baklava that we just took out of the oven. Drizzle the baklava with your chopped walnuts. Lightly drizzle melted chocolate over the baklava. Let your baklava cool, and then you can enjoy it. Did you hear that sound? It's delicious.